This video is part of a series on audio processing in FFStudio. In this video we will explore how to use channel split and channel merging filters in FFmpeg to process individual audio channels independently. We will build graphs that split audio channels, apply filters to specified channels, and then reassemble them. First, let's take a look at the source audio in Audacity. This is stereo audio file with two channels. Let's start by building a graph as usual from the input node. We add the input node by right-clicking on the empty graph area and selecting the input node, then clicking select to choose our source audio file. After specifying the input file, we can request media info by clicking the Get Media Info button. From this information, we can see that the input audio is stereo with two channels. Next, we add Y flag to override the output file if it already exists. This flag can be connected to the input node through global links. Now, we need to specify the stream that will be used for processing. We add the stream selector node to the graph. In this node, you can select by ID or type. In this case, we select the audio stream by type. Then, for individual channel processing, we add the channel split filter to the graph. Double-click on the empty graph area to open search box, type channel split, and select the channel split filter from the list. The channel split filter split the input audio into separate audio streams, one for each channel. Next step is to define the stream for each channel. We add two stream selector nodes to select each channel individually. We call the first stream selector node L for the left channel and the second R for the right channel. Now we can apply filters to these channels independently. We add volume filter node for the left channel to adjust its volume. Then we add another volume filter node for the right channel if we want to process it independently. We connect L stream selector node and R stream selector node to each volume filter independently. Next, we define the output streams for each channel after processing. We add stream selector node after each volume filter to define the output streams. We call the first stream selector node LV for the processed left channel and the second stream selector node RV for the processed right channel. Then we connect the left volume filter output to the LV and the right volume filter output to the RV. Finally, we need to merge these channels back together. We add the join filter to the graph. Double-click the empty graph area to open the search box, type join and select the join filter from the list. The join filter merges multiple input streams into single output stream. We connect LV and RV stream selectors nodes to the join filter input. We need to provide the number of input channel to the join filter. We set the inputs parameter to 2 since we have two channels, then set the channel layout parameter to stereo to specify the output channel layout. Next, we map our streams. We specify front left channel as our first stream and front right channel as our second stream. Finally, we add the output. First, we create the result stream selector node to select the output from the join filter. Then we add the output node to the graph by right-clicking on the empty graph area and selecting output node. We select the output file name and location by clicking the select button. Finally, we connect the result stream selector node to the output node. Now let's execute our graph and see the result in Audacity. we can see that by adjusting the volume of the left channel, the overall mix has changed. Let's experiment further by increasing the volume of the left channel by 1.5 times. We can see that the left channel is now louder in the overall mix. Now the beauty of the graph form is that we can do whatever we want, crisscross the channels to swap the left and right channels on the fly. We can see that the channels have been swapped. As always, if you have built useful channel split graphs or variations that solve specific problems, share them in the comments. These graphs can be added to the library and help expand the set of the practical reference workflows. You can always access the raw FFmpeg command by copying it from the Q tab after executing the graph. Stay connected with us on Twitter, support on Patreon, and check out our work on GitHub for updates and community contributions.